Good morning, everyone. Topic for today is myofascial mobilization technique blade, also known as M2T blade. This blade was invented by Dr. Adam Bogar, residing in Canada. He suggested this blade is useful in order to relieve the pain caused by muscle, myofascia, and the tendon. He told that this blade works on the principle of Cyriax. Now let's look into the contents of the class, that is objective of the class, definition, functions of M2T blade. Coming to the objective of the class is to understand what is M2T blade, its design and its function. Coming to the definition, it is a type of instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization tool with 8 edges based on the principle of Cyriax, used for diagnostic and treatment purpose to enhance the smooth gliding between myofascia and the muscle. Let's split the definition to understand the depth of the definition. It says that it is a type of instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization tool. When you talk about soft tissue mobilization, there are two types of soft tissue mobilization technique. That is your bare hand technique and instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization technique. When you talk about bare hand, your MFR and your Cyriax massages come under soft tissue mobilization technique, where we release the adhesions, knots and bands occurred within the muscle, myofascia and myofascial and muscle junction, also in the tendon, can be released. The same technique using the tool or the blade is known as instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization tool. Now this tool has 8 edges, which we'll be discussing in the next slide. Also, the treatment or the diagnosis purpose used in this tool are based on the principles of Cyriax. Now coming to the principles of Cyriax, which are 3 principles stating that every pain has a source, treatment should reach the source and treatment should benefit the source, thus decreasing the pain. So this tool relies on the principles given by Cyriax. Also, this tool can be used for diagnostic as well as treatment purpose. Now in the end of the treatment, what this tool is going to do is, it is basically going to enhance the smooth gliding between myofascia and muscle, thus decreasing the painful movement, pain occurred due to muscle only. Now points to remember in this about this tool: two angles of hold, 2 glides and 8 edges. As you can see in the diagram that there are 2 angles of hold. Let's look into the picture of 8 edges first. You can see the 8 edges in the image. The first one is known to release the superficial muscles or the myofascia. The second one is known to release the deep muscular structure. The third one is the part occurring present between second and the fourth, which is also known as 2.8 edge. This edge is used to release the trigger points. The edge 4 and the edge 6 are used to release the tendons. Edge 4 is used to release the deepened tendon and edge 6 is used to release the superficial tendon. Now edge 5 and edge 7 are used to release the borders of the tendon. Coming to the last edge, that is your 8th edge, is used to release your interosseous spaces in order to move or drain the edema. So now once you have understood the 8 edges, let's look into the edge 2 and edge 1. You can see the edge 1 and edge 2 are angulated. So please remember, edge 2 is angulated in the plane 55 degree and edge 1 is angulated in the plane 45 degree. So while either using the blade for diagnostic or treatment purpose, please maintain the angle respectively during the usage of the blade for that particular edge. So now we have dealt with 2 angles of hold, 8 edges. Now 2 glides. The last point to remember, 2 glides. That is, when you are using M2T blade either for diagnosis or for treatment, make sure 1 glide is for diagnosis and the following should be for therapies. The glides are going to be either from up to down direction or down to up direction on a muscle. When a patient is going to approach you and you decide, being a physical therapist, decide to do the treatment using the blade, first approach is going to be diagnosis. So glide from up to down and ask the patient whether this glide is pain relieving. If the patient is confused, glide down to up and then ask the patient which among the first two glides were painful and painless and he felt the benefit of the therapy. So choose that glide, whichever he found it is pain relieving, and carry forward the therapy using the blade. Coming to the functions of the M2T blade. As we already discussed, it is used for diagnosis. So while diagnosing, you have to look forward for the adhesions, knots, bands present either superficially, that is on myofascia, a little deep, that is at the junction, and little more deeper within the muscle. Two glides can be used for diagnostic purpose. Now for treatment purpose. As we have already discussed 8 edges and areas of treatment. First one, the plain one, is used for fascia, that is for superficial. Edge 2 used for muscle, that is for deep. Edge 3, that is also known as 2.8 edge, used for MTRPS, that is your myofascial trigger points. Edge 4 used for muscle bulks or the deep tendon, that your tendoachilles and your brachioradialis. Edge 5 and 7, edges of the tendon or your musculotendinous junction. Edge 6 for superficial muscle bulks. Edge 8 for interosseous space release in order to drain the edema. So summary definition of the blade, which is nothing but it is a type of instrument assisted soft tissue mobilization tool with 8 edges based on Cyriax principles, used for diagnostic and treatment as well, in order to enhance the smooth gliding between myofascia and the muscle. 3 things to remember: 2 angles of hold, that is your 45 degree and 55 degree, 2 glides, upward to downward and downward to upward, 8 edges from 1 to 8. Coming to the 2 function, first one diagnostic purposes and second one treatment purposes. So thank you. This is the end of the lecture.